What do I love about playing football? That's a big question. The teamwork side of it I really like. You can work on behalf of someone else. If they're flying forward, you can do your part to help support them. You feel as though you're part of a strong team, you're wanting to win, and you can help the team go forward. I'm Brendan Craggs. I'm a mechanical asset engineer working for INEOS FPS. I got my Masters in low carbon transport and I've changed role on the graduate scheme to be part of the Keneal asset engineering team. INEOS's sustainability strategy is really positive. I've recently formed part of the Grangemouth Energy Network, and through that we're helping drive sustainability objectives across the younger graduate population to reach our 2050 and 2030 goals. I've been involved in an interesting project which has helped reduce our emissions but also improve how we monitor our pipework. I was able to get out on site to really put what I'd learned into practice, engage with different people and see some results. It's really important to me to work as part of a team. That's something that's been really key at INEOS, having that opportunity to get involved. If you ever need any support or guidance, you're always free to go and ask your mentors, different working colleagues. If you want to help deliver something that you feel passionate and interested about, then it's very straightforward. You can put yourself into the project and help be part of the team to solve the problem. I joined the INEOS football team as soon as I started the graduate scheme. It's really for anyone who's interested in football to get involved, have a laugh with the people who you work with and see them outside of the working environment. And then working for INEOS, you feel as though you're part of a really strong team. You're wanting to win and it really helps you strive. You're constantly helping yourself move forward as a person but also as a professional. So it's been really an exciting journey for the 3 years that I've been here.